Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Stay informed about any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Starting from November 14, 2023, our system has evaluated Google's stock as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.22. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this specific period. The stock has gone through natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.11%. In other words, it has generated an average daily return of 0.28% since being classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is expected to continue in this pattern. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -0.687% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -10.67% to 2.47%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 58.14% change over the next year, with a potential return between 46.26% and 70.41%. This suggests a price range of $200.30 to $233.35 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Google brings some important news. The headline reads, "Weaker technical forecast for Google as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate." On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 17, 2023, the Google stock price experienced a decrease of -1.27%. It went from $138.70 to $136.94. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.86%, reaching a low of $135.48 and a high of $138. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 5.04% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although volume has increased by 7 million shares on the last day, prices have fallen. This could be seen as an early warning, and the risk might slightly increase over the next few days. In total, approximately 24 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $3.33 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $142.38, while the lowest price was $85.57. Currently, the price stands at 3.82% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $5.44. It is also 94.58% below the all-time high, which was achieved on June 11, 2021 when the price reached $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Google stock. The Google stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be some support from the lines at $135.26 and $134.52. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 16, 2023, and so far, the stock has fallen by -1.27%. It is indicated that there may be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, we had a buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, we had a buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. We had a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. We had a buy signal 169 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Let's start with support levels. Right below today's stock level, Google has accumulated volume support at $126.67 and $123.44. Support levels act as a barrier, and if they are broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, if the current support at $126.67 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $123.44 and $123.40. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk. If the support level is broken, the stock may experience a further decline. However, considering Google's average movements during the day and its good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. To give you an idea of the stock's volatility, let's look at its recent performance. Over the last day, the stock had a price range of $2.52 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 1.86% change. And over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.52%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is common for established companies with predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Google is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates predict earnings of $1.60 per share. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Google. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $137.35. If you're not currently invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable opportunity to enter the market, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Google is buy. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -70.932. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $132.97, which represents a decrease of 2.9%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, meaning it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, a technical indicator used to measure momentum, is currently at 79, indicating higher risk. Furthermore, there is a recent sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? We have analyzed Google's stock, and while it holds several positive signals, we don't believe it is currently a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares, while waiting for further development. Although there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of Google's stock on the last trading day and have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we expect Google's stock to open down by $0.133 and start trading at $136.81. Before we begin, let's remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's essential to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.